Namaskar friends, we have already released a lot of videos about the corona predictions, lockdown predictions. I believe you must have seen them. If you haven't seen, please go through them, and we are further going to release a lot of videos regarding economy of India and political situation of India. If you are interested in going through those videos, don't forget to subscribe us if you haven't done till now, and push the bell icon for notification so that you get the information about the videos whenever they come. Recently, our government, Modi government, government of India, had released 22 lakhs crore rupees as an economic booster for India. This is a very big amount for India, and we should expect that it will give the booster to the economy and create a happy atmosphere in the whole economy so that it survives like anything. But unfortunately, as per astrological analysis, this is not going to happen. Currently, the 10th Lord, the 10th house is the significator of the government. 10th Lord Saturn is in its house of losses and as well as retrograde. So government is not going to gain anything from this economic package. It is not going to improve the image of the government in any manner. For all the type of analysis, we always take horoscope of India as it was born on the 15th August 1947 along with Taurus Lagna and Cancer moon sign. And we had made a lot of predictions in the past. You must have seen those predictions, and which came accurate one by one. Since decades we are making predictions on the basis of that horoscope only, which have always come true. So we are talking about this big economic package from the Modi government. The significator of finance, economy, Jupiter, is nowadays retrograde as well debilitated. It is again lying in the house of loss for the government. Both are moving. Saturn and Jupiter are retrograde and moving in the house of loss for the government. Moreover, as per mundane astrology principles, the common people are seen by the fourth house in a horoscope, and both these two planets are moving in the sixth house from the fourth house, which is the house of, as told in Sanskrit and Hindi, Rog, Rid, Satru. Rog means disease, Rid means loans, and Satru is enemy. So it is further not going to benefit to the common people of India, masses of India. So I am very much depressed while analyzing this thing, because everyone, like a true Indian, I expected that this booster package is going to benefit the whole India because it is a big sum. One thing I want to add here, the Venus, which is ascendant lord of Indian horoscope as well as sixth lord, is retrograde from 13th May to 25th June. As expected, the economic financial package came. We have already analyzed this, but the Venus, retrogression of Venus, is indicating that bureaucracy of India is not going to play a proactive role for the benefit of India as a nation and the people of India. Either they will skim the malai, they will eat something, they partake the money, and corruption will prevail in this whole economic package, or they will not implement this package with the full vigor and strength. It is very unfortunate what I am telling, but I do not make predictions believing that it is going to happen. I always tell to my clients even that you should defy, whenever I say something negative, you should defy that prediction. Because astrology is the science of possibility, not predicting something. If something is going to happen positively, why to know beforehand, especially if it is negative? So please spread this video so that it reaches to the highest echelon of the government, so that they should understand the implications of the planetary position on this wonderful package, and they should plug the loopholes in their system, and so that the masses of the India and everyone, not only masses, not only down, but everyone is suffering. Ask any entrepreneur, he is weeping. Ask middle class, he is weeping. Ask the persons who are doing job, they are weeping. Everyone is suffering. And if they are not suffering, they are presuming that they are suffering. So, for the benefit of this package reaches to the destined place, they should take these steps. This is the only purpose of this video. I am not making this video to criticize the government, to criticize the bureaucracy, but it is an eye opener to understand what is going to happen to this big package. Namaskar. Thank you. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Astrodevam. Please subscribe us.